It was 9 minutes, it went up.
I'm so hungry. So yummy.
혜미, 아이 포크가 그렇지? 아이 손으로 먹었어. 왜 뜯어 먹어? 주스도 먹고 있나?
Should we put salmon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you get the salmon out? 아니 할 수 있어?
No. Oh, I get to I get to swim.
그래 한국말로 뭐야?
새우.
새우 잘했어.
새우 깨졌네.
새우가 아예 안 네.
아, no. 안 돼.
Harvey no touch.
No touch. That's mine. I can try it. Hey, that's fish.
It is a fish.
아니, 두개 껴봐.
뒤에다 다시.
아니,
아니야, 이렇게 하는 거야. 하나는 여기다.
눈 찔렸다, 눈 찔렸어.
아이고. 아니다, 이렇게 하나 이렇게 하는 거야. 와, 멋지다.
최고. 알았어.
나 머리에다 이라고 와.
아 멋지다.
최고.
아나 일로 엄마 보여줘 일로 와서.
Come here.
딱 지난 말, 딱 지난 말.
It's like a chicken.
Okay, put one down. What's next? Ooh. Down. Ooh. Down.
같이.
똑같이.
똑같이.
Hello.
Hello,
Who's that?
Aiden.
That's Aiden. Aiden, where are we going?
Aiden?
Where are we going? We're going to Mexico. Can you say Mexico?
No, bear.
Okay. Are you excited to fly?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you scared?
No,
You big boy, that's why.
I'm not scared.
Yeah, we're not scared. We're not afraid. We're not afraid.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We're unafraid. We're unafraid. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, go. Where are you?
Run away!
It's a daddy.
Eat him.
No, don't eat me.
American Airlines, thank you for flying with us today. While you are seated, please keep your seatbelt fastened and
아이나 치즈. 아이나 엄마 봐봐. 아이나 엄마 봐.
아이고 좋아라. 멋지다.
오케이. 아이나 일로 와. 우와, 아니 멋있다. 아니 오빠. Thank you. 아니 고사. Say thank you. 우와, 이거 멋있다, 그치? 바다다. 아나 watch out, watch out. Stairs. Yeah, we're finally inside, getting some food. Yeah. Downstairs. Look at this place.
There's McDonald's.
McDonald's. We're finally checked in, and all of us are pretty hungry, so Yeah, we're gonna go to this place called Moe's. They have burgers and shakes. We're going downstairs and get that stomach full, and then hang out, maybe hit the beach, pool, I don't know, and then we're gonna reserve something for dinner, something a little more late at night. Yeah, thank you so much. Can we get 2 straws?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
야, 케첩 해줘?
우와, 언니 맛있겠다.
어린애 팀.
우와, 배고팠어.
Yummy? Good.
이거 먹는 거 싸다.
Cheers, fries, cheers.
아니는 물이 없네.
Cheers.
200명 딱 우선 그거 먹고. 빨라. 나 행복함 느껴지네. 그런 게 같아. 아니 나 천천히 물 먹고 멀어도 먹고 멀어도 먹고 이렇게 그렇게 먹고 있잖아.
I'm mostly certain that I am allergic to alcohol. Like my body doesn't digest it well. It's just I get like this like patches. I took like a shot of tequila, but it definitely was 2. And from our experience when the last resort that we went to, they diluted the crap out of the tequila. Here they do not. So lesson learned, I am pretty tipsy. But we're just chilling a little bit. We shower. We're getting ready to go eat dinner with my parents in maybe in 40 minutes or so. But before that, we tried out the beach, and then we moved over to the pool. We got some tequila. We got some coffee. We got some pizza, and now we're going for dinner. So trying to make the most out of it by eating everything here. But I'm pretty tired. We started our day pretty early, but it was like that, like our first day in the previous one too. But Aiden's having a blast, and we know that. Just chilling. We're watching some Office, of course. Aiden's doing his own iPad time, and yeah, I'm gonna just chill just a little bit, and then I'm going to put some makeup on, and we're gonna head over to get some Italian food. I know.
나이야.
Alright, I'll show you guys the view. It's flash without anybody in there. Oh yeah. But I did ask them to, I requested if we could get a room next to each other because of my parents. We want to stay close. And so we ended up switching our bedrooms. I don't know where. Aiden's at my parents' room right now. So this is the entrance. I know this place has been renovated recently, so I think like everything is like kind of digital. So you come in, got a little bathroom, toilet. One thing I don't like about this specific shower is that there's no separate door to close off. There is this slide door, which I don't know, it's okay, but I wish there was additional like door to keep trap in the heat and all that. But and then there's just place for you to hang your clothes, money, anything they need to keep away. There's some fridge, and then I know there's a pull-up bed. We got a king-size bed. All of our junk. Looks like we've been here for like a week, but some office. What was the favorite part of your day?
I like it Mexico.
You like Mexico? Do you like swimming or do you like pizza?
Do you like pizza?
You like pizza? Okay.
You like dancing?
No.
Do you like singing?
No.
What did you like today?
I like it play.
Aiden like playing?
Yeah.
Was it fun playing today?
Okay, can you say good night?
Good night.
Okay, good night.
Good night, peekaboo.
Good night, Pinkapong.
Overall, like I'll say everything was
Yeah, I feel like Aiden could have been more fussy or just not cooperative.
It was so sad watching him freak out when we're landing.
Yeah, so overall he was pretty good at the airport and the flight in the plane, because as soon as we took off he just like knocked out. But when we were landing, it was a very rocky landing. I think it was just the weather, and Aiden like kind of froze a little bit and I felt it. And then we landed and not like land but like we were finally on the ground and slowed down a little bit. And then I looked at Aiden and I'm just like, hey Aiden, are you okay? Everything okay? He started crying. And I think it did scare him quite a bit, where he froze. And you know, I think when I kind of talked to him, it like was broken. Yeah, I was nauseous. It was.
Yeah, but I just think that he didn't know how to express that or whatnot. He was just like.
Yeah, he's like, wait. I think it was first time like him feeling that way.
Yeah.
So I think it was definitely a scary experience for him, but I rarely got dizzy off of the flight, right? Like,
But you get dizzy off of everything, so.
But today, I felt it. It was just pretty crazy. That went well. It was max 15 minutes from the airport to the resort.
Yeah, so close. I love that.
And we had our own van because you know we have 5 people, so it was great. We got here. Check-in took a little longer, but I think it's pretty normal. Nothing like too like, I don't know. It was out of order. They weren't pushy. Yeah.
They weren't pushy.
Yeah.
So
They weren't trying to like upsell anything, which.
before the other places.
Yeah. Or maybe they did, but they just didn't say anything. We'll find out. So overall, we're pretty content with everything. The room is fine. Very hotel-like, which I love personally. And then food, like I said, food is good. What else did we do?
Swimming.
Yeah, we went swimming. Yeah, we were at the beach and we were at the pool, which I couldn't really record because I didn't want like the sand to go in my camera or my phone. But I think I'm not sure. I think we're done with the beach because there were so many. It's not seaweed. What is that?
I don't know. Something.
Yeah, there was just so many like piles, a mountain of like the sea plant. So it just like I don't know. I don't know. I didn't really want to go. It was good, but I think we want to stick to the pool tomorrow. There is a kids area which we sort of skipped today because it was very cool. It was kind of like in the corner where like sun wasn't hitting. So I think we're gonna go when it's a little more sunny tomorrow. So yeah, we're pretty tired. Our day started at 5 o'clock, so I think tonight might be an early night, but we're really looking forward to tomorrow. So good night.